Today at Coyote Classics, we're going to be checking out another pretty special car. This is a 1964 Mercury Comet Cyclone, 4-speed, factory 4-speed, the K code 289 4-barrel, and just extremely quality. And that's the big thing with this car. I mean, just look at this, even like the trim, the little trim pieces, which are very hard to get. You know, they don't reproduce, you know, even just the trim pieces for something like this.
Look at up here at the very, very front. I mean, how cool is that?
It's got the scooped hood. So the big thing is just very, very quality. Those wheels are badass too. Because they all chrome.
Hubcaps, aren't they? Are they hubcaps or wheels?
I don't know. They look like they're wheels, but they're hubcaps.
Yep, but they are cool. They're the factory caps that came with them.
Really beautiful under the hood. Look at that.
That's awesome, Dalton. This has got power steering. Like I said, your factory K code VIN number here. Top of the inner fender aprons are beautiful. And when they did the paint job on this, the repaint, you can tell they took the fenders off. They did a great job painting the back, top part of the cowl, door jams, everything was done quality.
Looks like all original metal here too.
Now 1964, a lot of them came with a, 64, they came with a generator, Dalton. So that is a generator car, okay? Your 64.5 Mustangs would have came with a generator as well. Those were F code cars.
And usually, like even a lot of the 64 Mustangs have like a little, what, 260?
Yeah.
Kind of neat. But
you could get a 289 in there too, but a lot of them were the 260s.
The 64.5, 65 Mustangs. But grill, headlights, bumpers, all beautiful. Love the snorkeled hood.
Just coming at you from that angle, that is so cool. You're like, what the heck kind of car is this?
It's awesome. Well, like you said, there's something you go to a car show, I guarantee you'll have the only one there.
Yeah, exactly.
And the nicest, Mercury probably at the car show as well.
If you look up and down, you want to go ahead and shut it off, Dee? The tires are hand cooked. They look really nice. Got really good tread there. Like we determined earlier, it's got the steel wheels with the chrome hubcaps. If you look up and down the sides, the body is super straight on this one. Hood's not that bad either. It sticks up just a titch. Very, very small right here. Not much you're going to do about that. I mean, you got a ram air hood.
Yeah. And it's an old car, but the paint, I mean, this is going to win you some trophies.
Huh. Yeah, you can probably talk to the previous two owners of it. I'm sure they won plenty of trophies with it. Bottom of the front fender, bottom of the door, rocker panel, everything is just gorgeous. Lower quarters, beautiful. You can see yourself anywhere in the car. Top of the door lines up great. Our door handle is excellent. Really nice trim around the back window, back glass, top of the back seat, and back package tray looks nice as well.
Small little chips there on that like seam.
Yep, how did I miss that? Right there. You could tell it just maybe got a hairline crack right there to the primer, just a couple chips.
But even the door jamb paint's just as nice as the exterior
Everything was popped, pulled off, done very, very professionally. Corners of the doors are perfect. Door panels are excellent. Of course, you got the Cyclone here. Door handles, window cranks, all the interior pieces, wing window, chrome, everything's in great shape. The door jamb paint, inner quarter of the door is excellent. Does have the padded dash, an absolutely gorgeous dash itself. All the black looks nice, AM factory radio, factory 4-speed. Factory bucket seats in the console, and we believe the interior to be original. Headliner definitely is. It's got the chrome bars in the headliner. Dome light works.
Windows go up good.
I'm going to open the trunk, Dee. Yeah. Dual exhaust comes out the back nicely. Back bumper's beautiful. Original trim, tail lights, everything's excellent back here as well. Trunk lid fits good.
Oh, very nice.
Blem. Wow. There's a blem right here. Two little blems in the paint right here. I don't know if you can see it right in that area.
Dude, that's weird how they have that. How the trunk kind of rolls back.
It is crazy, isn't it? Look at the paint on the inner. I mean, they did a beautiful job even in the trunk floor, didn't they? Look at that.
Man. This is a show car.
It's a very nice car.
And then it looks like original quarters, still has the stampings up here too.
Oh, good. Bottom of the trunk lid's beautiful. This is kind of a cool little emblem here, the Mercury emblem.
That's what's so neat about this car is it's something you just don't see, and then the quality of it's
As
excellent.
we look up and down the side, laser straight body, beautiful, beautiful paint. Quarter panel over the wheel well is great. one tiny little paint blem right there. It's at the end of a pencil. Little tiny paint chip right here. It's been touched up. Lower fender's great. Like I said, the paint quality is beautiful. And it wasn't done yesterday. I mean, it's had a little bit of age to it, but it is still an absolute show car. As far as your code goes, your color is, not sure, it's kind of scratched off there. Looks like color is M. Trim is 05. Yeah, corner of the door is
And there was a
perfect.
bunch of documents with this car too, I believe.
Cool. There is some wear on the seat coming in and out, which kind of shows us that it could be original. It's kind of a leather, really is.
Yeah.
Got some little scuffs in it on the back of the seat that appears to be original. Windows go up and down really nicely. Felts are original. Take this beauty for a drive, shall we?
Let's do it.
Let's kind of see what works and what don't work.
And for a little smaller car, there's a lot of room in here. More room than a Mustang.
There is a lot. I love the factory 4-speed here. Original shifter, the lockout. Looks like there's a few things that aren't going to work for us, D.
Wipers work.
Dome light works, gas gauge works, temperature gauge works, amp gauge works.
That's original.
Yeah, it is original paint there probably.
Must be the...
Look at this, D. This is nice, but isn't that gorgeous still, all the restoration? I
pretty.
wish that old Mercury AM would work, but it doesn't. Tack does not work anymore either.
Horn works.
Heater fan, basically the heater fan and the radio don't work. Oil pressure gauge works. That's got great oil pressure. So far we beat the rain, D. I just gotta get 2 sets of pictures yet.
I know.
I don't know.
We'll find out. Maybe we'll miss it. I'm so sick of it raining. It's been like 5 days in a row where it tricks you. You think the day's gonna be nice, and then right when you're about ready to get off work, it'll just start raining.
We need it though.
Man, good power, second gear scratch.
Heck yeah. Speedometer works good. We're gonna try our brakes here. Brakes have a very, very slight pull to the left, but only, like I said, only if you let go of the steering wheel, and it's not bad at all. The power steering is fantastic. And that's probably kind of a rare option in 1964 on one of these muscle cars.
Yeah, I would think so. Man, it's just smooth.
Yeah, beautiful shift.
Drivetrain's really quiet too.
That was 70 mile an hour in third. Take it over to fourth gear, still cruising down the road beautifully. The steering wheel alignment is just out just a little bit to the right, but like I said, not bad enough to mess with. Look at that going down the road.
Oh.
What do you think?
I like it. It's damn nice.
It's sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, as far as the power, the shifting, braking, the comfort, just the view up over that hood. And then the great view of the Comet on the dash. Here's your brakes if you have to stop fast. Look, there's no pull left that time. I mean, that was perfectly straight.
Yeah, this thing is sweet. Something we don't see every day.
Suspension, right? Suspension feels pretty good too.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, it
your
does.
shocks and everything feel good.
It does.
Sounds good.
Give
Now we got
our
our window up. We'll just kind of listen.
Nice.
50. Beautiful transition. Nice easy shift. 70 mile an hour, and it is super quiet in here.
Yeah,
At least it is on my side.
Yeah, mine too. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. My wing window wasn't shut all the way, so if you heard any wind noise, that's what that was. Really good car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.